Does New Jersey recognize legal separation?
In the state of New Jersey, there is no such thing as a legal separation. Most people think of legal separation as ultimately filing something with a court system and having a declaration by a court as to what's supposed to happen. But generally speaking, in New Jersey, you're either going to get divorced or you're going to remain married. Now, we do have this legal device that we refer to as a divorce from bed and board. That is the closest thing that we have in New Jersey to a legal separation. What that means is functionally you're not going to legally divorce, but you're going to draft a matrimonial agreement and settle all issues as if divorced. And the only reason we use that is in circumstances where one party needs to retain a legal right to remain on the health insurance of the other party. In that circumstance, if you were legally divorced, you wouldn't have a right to do that with most health insurance plans. So that's the only time that we really use a divorce from bed and board. But in order to physically separate from your spouse, you can still draft an agreement, agree upon how you're going to separate your assets and liabilities, and agree upon what you're going to do with support obligations and your children. The problem is that functionally, the law will not recognize you as divorced until you are absolutely divorced. For that reason, it is advisable that you either proceed with a formal divorce or a divorce from bed and board. But you would work with your local counsel, with your attorney, on how to move forward in that circumstance.